I'm Deidre.
Hi, I'm James.
And we're renovating a 1974 Sun Kamper Truck pop-up camper.
In this episode, we're prepping the walls for primer, putting the trim back on the front of the bunk restoration, and going to...
Cleaning up the roof.
Oh yeah, we're cleaning up the roof too, and the roof is ready to put the tongue and groove on.
So we got to source some tongue and groove. Today we're going to head out and see if we can find some from a contact you made on Marketplace.
Yeah, not too far away either, which is very good, very local and select.
We'll see if we can find some stuff for the flooring.
Oh, hopefully.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. We also forgot to tell them about a surprise that you also got for the trailer. Remember?
I don't know if it's a surprise for the trailer or it's a surprise for the whole package. It's a 1981.
You don't tell them what it is. You'll have to watch. Wait and see at the end. We have something that we're going to add on to our trailer to take with us when it's all finished and we head camping. We'd love for you to
like and subscribe to this shenanigans.
And don't forget to hit the
like and subscribe button.
Don't forget to hit the bell. Don't forget to hit...
Use the doorbell due to COVID.
No. Make sure you hit the bell for all the notifications so you don't miss any of our episodes.
Bring Lysol wipes.
In our last episode, we tore down the front bunk, and it was completely rotten. There was nothing worth saving. After planing some of our wood from our lot that we milled, we rebuilt the bunk and put the tin back on. The next step is to get the metal trim installed, make a plan with the roof, and start some painting.
We're getting ready to put the side pieces back on. All the stuck caulking and everything we're going to clean all off, put some new on, and get it screwed back up.
Okay. Putting the caulking on here is an important step. So tool. You gotta be liberal with it. You can always wipe it off, but if there's not enough, you can always get water damage. We just reinstalled the finished trim on the outside of the trailer. Of course, it's not caulked, it's just sealed on the inside.
So we're just getting it cleaned all off.
Yeah, it's cleaning off all the old product to put the new product on.
To do it, what to do with this plastic molding and have the paint adhere to it properly. So what we're using is this Krylon for plastic, and hopefully that's going to really bond to the plastic, and then give us a good paint job.
Is that the wettest piece you could find?
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
There must have been one wetter than this.
Yeah.
Seriously, Deidre. There must have been. Seriously. You could have found a piece of cardboard, I'm sure, a lot wetter than this. Like, I'm disappointed in you.
Okay, guys, we're getting ready to paint. The Fusion spray paint really adhered well to the plastic trim, so I think it's going to work really well for us to put the primer on top of it.
Taking all the old paneling off the roof, we let it dry out, and it's very nice and dry, so the foam, we only have to replace some of the foam, but it's still going to be a challenge to get all of this off and you know, get it done right. But I have total confidence that we're going to be able to pretty much get this roof done today.
Are we going to leave some of the styrofoam?
All of the styrofoam staying in it except for what was peeled off in this very damaged corner here.
So we're just going to remove the wood, the white paneling, and leave the styrofoam and
The
pack
white
it up.
paneling is part of the wood. It's vinyl paneling, so we're just going to scrape it off to the styrofoam and let it dry really good. Spray it with some sealer and put new paneling on.
Okay, let's get to work. Do you boys want to help? Okay, we got all the rotten paneling and wood off and removed a patch of the styrofoam that was completely waterlogged. So now we're ready to replace the styrofoam and put the new ceiling in. We've put on some tie-down straps because the roof was not square from being waterlogged and being cranked up and down for over the years. Hopefully that will straighten it out. We're just back from the lumber yard and they had some really nice tongue and groove cedar, and we're gonna put that on the ceiling. And I think it'll look really nice. We'll stain it up and varnish it. And they also had some really nice red pine. That's gonna go on our floor. So last night James found this on Market's Place and decided we needed a project within a project. So, what are your plans, James?
Well, this is our 1981 XL 500S that we picked up, and it's very, very good shape to do a restoration on and kind of match to go camping with our vintage camper we're making and our 1968 Chevy C10 truck as a package to go overland camping. That's correct.
You don't remember
No.
nothing.
No.
You don't remember anything.
Not a fucking thing. I don't remember. Pop up.
Pop up.
Correct. Hopefully.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Let's get to work.